Hello, this is David with technewszone.com coming to you live from Las Vegas, or not quite live, it's recorded. I'm actually testing out a new mic, which we're going to be using for our audio videos and that type of thing from now on. Audio Technica sent us a cardioid USB microphone, which might help our YouTube videos be better. I may start doing more of them now they have better equipment. I'm recording this from a Lenovo Legion 720 laptop, which is quite nice with good software. Now I have a cardioid microphone, so I'll see how that goes. Just recently went to the Maker Faire in the Bay Area near San Mateo, near San Francisco. Got to see some interesting products. I met Joseph Prusa from Prusa Research. He's an awesome gentleman, one of the founders of 3D printing. Worked with Ladislav with Imade3d to help them with the event with their awesome educational focused 3D printer, the Jellybox 2, which we should be getting one to mess with, do events with soon, to review. We may partner with them to help them sell them, promote them, and train people and teachers how to use them. What's cool about the Imade3d is that it is also has professional developments. You not only get the printer, Imade3d or me, or if I work with them or them, would come out and train the teachers on how to use the Imade3d. A Jellybox 2 printer and train them step by step how to teach the young people how to build them. So it's an amazing product, as is Joseph's products. What else was exciting and cool at the Maker Faire? A lot of cool steampunk products, a lot of cool technology products, also some food products, and then some like robotics products as well. Matter Hackers was there. They have awesome film and awesome products. Got to meet Mara Hittner, which was awesome. Nice meeting her. Ran into Joel Telling, the awesome 3D print nerd, and did a selfie with him and talked to him a bit. He's given me some advice, helped me advice like getting this better microphone, better equipment, and trying to improve our channel as well. My focus is education, technology, 3D printing. I'm a maker, tech nerd, not the tech nerd, that's Joel, a tech nerd, teacher, 3D professor, not that 3D professor, I'm a different one. But I'm technewszone.com, but I am a teacher in training, blogger, I've done sales, and I'm a 3D print nerd and maker, so a 3D printer, no offense to Joel, of course. But I'm into technology, into 3D printing, love messing with 3D. We have right now, we're messing with a G-Tech E180 printer. We're messing with a Cubabot. So if you can see it in the video, no, you cannot. A Cubabot. We have a Snapmaker, and then my son has a Tier Time Upbox 2, which we do take these out on events when we can, to schools and other things. We also beta test and review them as well. Once we get the Jellybox 2, we will do some videos. A shout out to the Ladislavs, Laddie and Mrs. Laddie, awesome folks I got to hang out with the Bay Area Maker Faire. Shout out to Joel, Prusa Research, awesome product, especially the new multicolor 5-color printer. If I ever get rich, I'm going to get one. It's awesome. And then what else was awesome? FS Lasers products, Glowforge. Very impressed at the Maker Faire, my very first, and I hope to go to more of them in the future. This is Dave with technewszone.com coming to you May the 22nd, 2018 from Las Vegas, and signing out and testing out this new Audio Technica microphone and going from there. Thanks.